Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back to Ziraat Care. So guys, today I have come up with the recipe of red velvet cake which I showed you in the Father's Day video. If you want to see the Father's Day video, links are in the description box. Guys, do you want to know how the red velvet cake originated? Hundreds of years ago, cakes were just a sweet type of bread. Many times people would put dried fruits and nuts in their cake recipe. As a result, the desserts were rough in texture. 500 years later, the bakers began to make the desserts more appealing. It was the Victorian era when the velvet cakes came into existence. The ingredient of cocoa would help break down the coarse flour. As a result, the flour was softer and the cake was velvety. A chemical reaction between cocoa and acid gives the cake its red color. Present days, red velvet cake relies more on food coloring and becomes so popular. Don't you think that the history of red velvet cake is so amazing? Okay guys, let's proceed to the recipe. Okay guys, so let's make the batter for the red velvet cake. Come, I will show you the ingredients. Here we need 1 cup cake premix, 5 tablespoons vegetable oil, 200 ml milk and red food coloring. My favorite color is red. Which is your favorite color? Please tell me in the comment section. Take a bowl and add the cake premix in it. And add the milk in it. And mix it well. And be sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. After mixing it, add vegetable oil in the mixture. And mix it again. After mixing it, add red food color in the mixture. And again mix it properly. After adding the color, our batter is ready, so let's bake it. For that, take a container and grease it with some oil. After that, pour the mixture in it. So satisfying. And tap it. Today I am not going to bake it. I am going to microwave it for 6 to 7 minutes. Microwave time. Let's microwave it. Our cake is microwaved. Let's see if it is properly cooked or not. Here I have a toothpick. It is clean. It means that our cake is cooked. Keep the cake aside and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. After 20-30 minutes, the cake is cooled. Looking delicious. Now this is the time to divide the sponge in 3 or 2 layers. My mom will cut and decorate it. For the decoration of the cake, here I have a few things. Sliced plum, silver balls, tutti frutti, whipping cream in a icing cone, and whipped cream. After slicing the cake, let's cut it in a heart shape. Don't throw the extra part, grind it and then we will use the crumbs. Now apply the sugar syrup on this layer. Spread Tutti Frutti on the first layer. Now place the second layer and repeat the steps. Similarly, the third layer. Refrigerate it for 20 to 30 minutes. It's garnishing time. Carefully stick the crumbs on the sides of the cake. Here, we'll garnish it with plums. Decorate it according to your choice with the icing cone. Here, sprinkle silver balls on the top. Finally, decorate it with smileys. Guys, isn't it looking yummy? Yum yum. If you like the recipe, try it at home and enjoy the cake. Yum yum, delicious. Looks delicious. You can serve it with a mocktail. What do you think about my recipe? Leave some comments in the comment section. Like my video, subscribe my channel Zara Hatke. Bye for now. We'll meet you in the next video with definitely something Zara Hatke. And of course, respect your parents.